Hey fam, welcome back. So today we are going to be fixing a snack, some zucchini fries, which are really good with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. All you need is some almond flour, some eggs, and seasonings of your choice. And two zucchinis, of course. Okay, so what we're going to do is start by cutting the ends off our zucchini. I'm not a pro in the kitchen with cutting and all this, so just bear with me. We just gonna make sure we try to get these cut into nice size strips. Remember, this is finger food. You can cut it to your liking, but it's supposed to replicate French fries, so you can be able to dip in the sauce if you like, so forth like that. So I just did them in long strips, and then I took the long strips and then I cut those in half. Okay, now if you're just cooking this for yourself for one meal, one zucchini is enough. I actually did two, but next time I will probably just do one because I didn't need to actually fix two zucchinis. The other one I actually cut up and I just put it in the refrigerator so I can make them fresh for another day. Okay, now that your zucchini is all cut up, we're gonna move on and do our eggs. We're gonna crack two eggs and then we're gonna whisk these eggs up and set them to the side. So now you want to get another dish, and this is what you're going to put your batter in. So we're going to take some almond flour and add this to our little glass dish. And now this is the time for you to take this Parmesan cheese, and you want to add your Parmesan cheese to this almond flour. So now we're going to start adding our seasonings. This is where you can choose whichever seasonings that you like. I decided to go with garlic and onions, of course, because I love that. A little bit of black pepper, and I'm going to add some seasonal as well. And make sure you season this batter pretty good because you don't want it to taste like almond flour. And of course, I'm struggling with this pepper again, like always. Okay, so now you just want to mix this up really good to make sure that everything is well incorporated. So you have your seasonings, your almond flour, and your Parmesan in this dish right here. Now I just lined my pan with some parchment paper, and as you see, I'm actually now dipping the zucchini into my egg batter, and then we're gonna take it and kind of shake it off a little bit and dip it into our mixture of our almond flour. Coat it really well. You want to make sure it's coated pretty good on all sides, because this is what's going to give you your crispy texture. And then you want to just do it one by one, or you could do a couple at a time. I was like, one by one was taking too long, so I just did the first two just to kind of show you how to do it. And then I'm going to go ahead and speed this process up a little bit. Okay, you guys, here we go. We're going to get these in the oven at 400 degrees. Make sure there's a little space. You see, have them spaced out a little bit because you want them to come out crispy. And we're going to cook these for about 15 minutes. Mine, I cooked for about 20 minutes because I forgot they were in the oven, but that's okay. They still came out with a good crisp. They weren't burnt, but next time I'll make sure I do them at 15 minutes. And you can add a marinara sauce or some type of dipping sauce with them, would be great. And I just want to thank you guys for cooking with MoDenise. I hope you try this recipe. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, fam. Until next time.